motorcycle helmets. Half motorcycle helmet. Also known as half-shell helmets, a half helmet covers only the top of the head, giving a motorcyclist little protection and exposing him to wind, snow, rain and anything that is caught up in it. The half helmet has been popularized by motorcyclists who style themselves as rebels, but is rarely seen on true long-distance riders, because of how tiring it is to absorb the wind over hours of riding. To get more information on these motorcycle helmets, visit www.discounthelmetfactory.com. Again, visit www.discounthelmetfactory.com. Again, visit www.discounthelmetfactory.com.